Welcome to the NHA membership. Whether you're exploring the possibilities of membership or have recently joined our community, you're in the right place to learn more about resources and opportunities designed for your professional advancement. Let's look at the benefits you'll enjoy, starting with recertification. When you become an NHA member, your recertification fee is on us. All you have to do is keep up with your membership payments and CE requirements, and we'll take care of the recertification cost. If you're nearing recertification and haven't met these conditions yet, you'll still benefit from a 20% discount on your fee, a great advantage for those approaching their recertification date. As a member, you're in the know with access to exclusive webinars, blogs, and NHA resources. Keep an eye on the membership newsletter for the latest updates and opportunities. Have questions? Our NHA expert panel has answers. This is your direct line to industry pros who can help guide you. Look for the Ask the Expert button in your monthly newsletter and ask away. We're here to support you. Your membership introduces you to our vibrant community, connecting you with peers, experts, and the NHA team. Engage with us for career opportunities, contests, challenges, and more. We're excited to have you on board, and this is just the beginning. We're always adding new benefits, so stay tuned and stay connected through our newsletters. Joining is a breeze. Let's walk you through it, starting at nhanow.com/membership. Click any Join Now button and log in with your NHA credentials. On this page, simply click Select a Membership Plan. You'll then see your membership plan options. It's that simple. Select the right plan for you. NHA membership for one certification, or NHA membership plus if you're juggling multiple certifications. We've got you covered. Next, pick a payment plan that suits your budget. Our annual plan offers the best value, but if you prefer smaller payments, our monthly plan spreads the cost over 2 years. Finalize your membership by filling in your billing and address details. Hit Purchase, and you're officially part of the NHA membership family. To check your membership status or make updates, just log back in to your NHA account at nhanow.com and click My Membership in the navigation. We're thrilled to have you with us and can't wait to hear your feedback. Welcome to the NHA membership, where your professional growth is our priority.